Morning, students. Today we'll be starting with a new chapter, that is area and volumes. I hope you don't have any such problems with the previous chapter, the speed, distance and time. Today we'll start with the module 1 of the area and volume. These formulas you already know. These formulas you already know that rectangle, we know that the opposite sides are equal. Here also equal means this is length and this is length, this is breadth and this is breadth. Now we know that the area formula is in bracket length into breadth square unit. So why square unit I have written? Why? As because here the unit is not mentioned. If it is mentioned, that means you have to write down that centimeter square or meter square. Next, the square part. The square part is what? Area. That means what? Square means what? All sides are equal. These things you already know in the previous classes you have done. That in a square we know that all the sides are equal. This is A, this is A, this is A, this is A. All the sides are equal. It's the symbol I've given. This is the symbol of that all the sides are equal. Then from here the area will be what? Side into side or side square unit. And area formula might be you could seen in the previous classes also. The area formula is in A into A or A square. Both are same thing. Okay. Next we come across with a volume formula. That volume formula is that this is a keyword I have drawn. Keyword means what? There will be a length, this is breadth, and there will be a height. Okay. You think of a room. Room is also a keyword. Where you are staying, that room is also a keyword. Okay, that formula will be what? Volume equals to length into breadth into height. And unit will be always in cube. If it is given meter, it will be meter cube. If it is given centimeter, it will be in centimeter cube. Next, if we get, now we are getting a cube. That cube formula, the cube means what? I just can tell you an example. The cube that Ludo playing games, you have seen the dice. Here using the Ludo, that is only the cube. Okay, just imagine that one only. And the volume will be what? A cube or side cube. Or side cube, we can do it. Side whole cube. Side whole cube. Okay, side whole cube. Then from the unit will be what? Meter cube or centimeter cube. Next, I'm coming with one example. The example I've taken from your book only, that not the on figure based question. Just see given in your book that to find out the area of particular figure. You have to find out the area. Then from here what I've done, I've drawn the figure first. After that I'm naming the figure A, B, C, D, E and F. After that I've just cut down this figure, divided into two parts. Why? It will be easy to find out the area of the figure. Now after cutting this one, I've just extended this one. From here I made what? G. Now this is forming one rectangle and this is also forming one rectangle. Now from here, see, AG equals to FE I've written. AG equals to FE written. Why? As because AG is 10, then FE is 10, then definitely AG will be also 10. I've written like that only. Next, GB. GB is GB. You have to find out the GB. See, if this is total 20 and this is 10, then what is the remaining? 10 only. I've written same thing only. 10 minus 20 minus 10, that is coming 10 centimeter. Now AF and GE will be also same value. Here AF already is 9, then it will be also 9. Okay, 9 centimeter. Next, BC is given what? 5 and GD will be also 5. Now in this figure, see, I've written what? Area of triangle AGEF equals to length into breadth. That means what? Length into breadth means what? AGEF. Length is what? This is the length and this is the breadth. 9 into 10, it is coming 90 centimeter square. Okay. Next, area of the triangle GBCD. GBCD, length into breadth. Length is BC and breadth is DC. Okay. Then from here, 5 into 10 will be the value. Then after putting the value, I am getting that 50 centimeter square. Then from here, that area of the triangle, what will we see? AGEF plus GBCD. After adding this both the value, we are getting what? 90 plus 50, that is coming 140 centimeter square. That means the area of the figure, total figure, is 140 centimeter square. Okay. And now one example, just I'll give some homework. You try to find it out. Okay. And if you want to write it down, the formula, one formula is there. Now one more formula I've written, that area of rectangle is length into breadth. If they tell you to find out how to find out the breadth, that time the formula will be length area by length. If they tell you to find out the breadth, it will be area by length. If they told to find out the length, that will be a by b. I just this formula, these both the formulas is came from this particular formula only. Okay, just transposing. Here I made the divided one, and here also I get the divided one. Okay, I'll give some homework from these exercises. Try to do it and try to solve it. Okay, any discussion will be done in the live class. Till that, have a nice day. Goodbye.